Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're looking for the best projector in 2025, you come to the right place. Whether you need a projector for movies, gaming, presentations or outdoor setups, we got you covered, so let's dive right in. Before we get into the topics, let's talk about what matters most when choosing a projector in 2025. Here are the key things to consider. Resolution. 4K is becoming more standard now than ever, and you should really be looking at least a 4K projector. I don't know if there are 8K projectors yet, but 4K projector is what you should be looking for at least, because that's the quality you want if you want a bigger screen than, like, let's say 80 inches. Otherwise, it doesn't look as crisp as a TV. 1080p are okay, but 4K is what you should be aiming for. Another thing you want to look for is brightness, especially if you are in a bright room, because then you need to aim for at least 3000 ANSI lumens. So just look for on the projector's specifications and look for 3000 ANSI lumens at least if you are in a bright room. Otherwise, I would recommend 2,000 to 3,000 should be good for most cases, but in really bright rooms, over 3000 is probably what you want to be looking for. Another thing that you want to look for, if you are a gamer especially, is the refresh rate. And if you are a gamer, you would probably want 120 Hz or higher for smooth gaming and action scenes. And the last thing you want to be considering is the portability and smart features of the projector, like built-in Android TVs, voice assistants and wireless castings. Those are huge perks that you want to be looking for in your projector. So yeah, let's go over to my top projectors in 2025. Okay, my best overall pick would have to be the XGIMI Horizon Ultra. It's a 4K stunning projector with Dolby Vision HDR and built-in Harman Kardon speakers. That makes this a really good projector, and you don't even need to buy the other speakers for this projector, since it has Harman Kardon speakers built into it. So it's a real small and cool projector for those who want a stylish and small projector. And it's my overall pick for around $2,000. It could be yours. And the best gaming projector, I would have to go with the Epson LS12000. It's a 4K projector with 120 Hz refresh rate, with 4K clarity and super low input lag. This is a dream projector for gamers, and 120 Hz might not sound a lot, but for a projector it's amazing. And it has 20 millisecond response time, which also might not sound that good, but for a projector it's really good. So I would recommend the Epson LS12000 for gaming, which costs a little bit more. It's around $5,000, but it has 4K and it has 120 Hz refresh rate. So yeah, that's for the best projector for gaming. Now let's talk about the best ultra short throw projector. And with this, I have to go with the Samsung Premier. It's one hell of a sleek projector, and it's living room friendly. This 4K projector delivers a massive 150-inch screen with no bulky mounts necessary. So this you can just put in your living room, as I said, without worrying your partner or something like that. Like if you want a stylish big screen, this doesn't take up too much of the looks of your room, and it fits right in. Now let's talk about the best portable projector. And this I would have to go with the Anker Nebula Cosmos. It's a compact 4K projector with built-in Android TV. This is perfect for travel, backyard movies or even presentations. With 1800 ANSI lumens, it works great in low brightness rooms or maybe in the night outside. With its easy handle that you can just pick it up with, this is perfect for those who are on the go with a projector. Now let's go with the best budget 4K projector, and with that I would have to go with the BenQ TK860i. It's a 4K projector, it's affordable, bright and packed with features. It has 3000 ANSI lumens if I'm correct. 3300 ANSI lumens it has, and it's packed with features. It has 3 HDMI channels, and it doesn't break the bank. This costs around $1,000, and it's really good for the money. So yeah, that was all my topics. So which projector should you go with? Well, here's a quick guide. The XGIMI is for those who love home theaters. The gamers should go with the Epson LS12000. And the stylish living room setup should go with the Samsung Premier. And for those who want the portability and outdoor use, I would go with the Anker Nebula Cosmos. And for the best bang for your buck is the BenQ TK860i. So yeah, that's our best projectors of 2025. So which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful. And also hit that notification bell for more tech videos in the future. Otherwise, see you in the next one. Bye.